Boys, what is up? Today we're working on my Range Rover. It's got a little coolant leak. I'm thinking it's a water pump. So let's get to it. So remove the air intake that was covering here. A pipe that goes from here to the rad, and a small pipe that goes over the reservoir to the radiator as well. And now we're gonna remove the fan clutch. Let's see how long that takes. Alright, so it turned out that I needed a fan clutch removal tool. So we picked up one from Canadian Tire. Alright, let's see how good it works. Alright, the fan clutch is finally out. So to open up a fan clutch on a 2013 Rover Sport, it's just the left-hand drive. You gotta spin this bolt towards the driver's side. And yeah, to access the water pump, there's 4 bolts, and one of them comes under the belt tensioner, so you have to remove the belt tensioner as well. Instead of pushing it in from here, I'm just gonna remove it from the back end. And you can also remove this pipe as well. And then there's just some T30s, I'm pretty sure. So yeah. Both the pipes are off. Now I'm just gonna remove those bolts and pull out the water pump. So with those 4 bolts off, you can just pull the water pump straight out. And yeah, so to reinstall, you'll be following the same process, but just reverse it. Hopefully this helps some of you guys out. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe if you like the content.